Good morning students. In the previous session we discussed about relation, domain, range and codomain. So relation means if we define a relation from two non-empty sets A and B, a relation R from A to B is a subset of Cartesian product. It is denoted by A cross B. It is a subset of A cross B and it contains those ordered pairs in which A related to B is true, means it contains some ordered pair which are satisfying the given relation or condition. So domain means set of all first elements of the ordered pair in a given relation is called a domain of the relation R. So next range means set of all second elements of the ordered pair is called the range of the given relation or codomain means the second set. Suppose if we define a relation from A to B, the second set is B is called the codomain of the given relation. So in this class we are going to discuss some problems. Okay. So first problem, given S is equal to set of all elements 1, 2, 3, 4, state which of the following is a relation. On S. Is a relation on S means the relation is defined from S to S. First set is S, second set is also equal to S. Okay, sub question. First one, here we want to verify some sets are given. Here we want to verify given sets are relations on S or not. Okay. First sub question, R1 is equal to set of all ordered pairs 1, 2, 2, 0, ordered pair 3, 1. So here set is given. Okay. So this is the R1 is the first set of all ordered pairs. Here elements are ordered pairs. Here we want to verify given set is relation on S or not. So when we say that it is a relation, when we say that a set is a relation, so relation means it must be a subset of Cartesian product. Here relation is defined on S means relation defined from S to S. Suppose if you want to say R1 is a relation on S means it must be satisfies condition R1 must be a subset of S cross S. So when we say that a set is a subset of another set, suppose if you want to say A is a subset of B means each and every element of A is also an element of B. Then we say that A is a subset of B, otherwise A is not a subset of B. Suppose at least one element of A is not an element of B, then it is not a subset. Here verify. Here we want to prove R1 is a subset of S cross. Verify. R1 is a subset of S cross S or not. Suppose R1 is a subset, then it is a relation. Otherwise, it is not a relation. Verify. 1, 2 is an element of S cross S or not. Okay. S cross S, it contains set of all ordered pairs. So S means second set is also equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. So here 4 elements. So second set is also contains 4 elements. S cross S contains 4 into 4. So it contains total 16 elements. So it contains 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4. Next 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4. 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4. Last element is 4, 4. So 1, 1, 2. So ordered pair 1, 2 belongs to S cross S. Therefore, so next verify. 2, 0 is an element or not. Here 2, 0, here 0 is not an element of S. Therefore, 2, 0 does not exist in S cross S. Therefore, 2, 0 does not belongs to S cross S. Therefore, it is R1 is not a subset of S cross S. Therefore, it is not a relation. not a subset. Therefore, it is not a relation on S. R1 is not a relation on S. Reason? Because 2 comma 0 ordered pair 2 comma 0. Right here reason. Because ordered pair 2 comma 0 does not belongs to S cross S. Does not belongs to S cross S. Okay. Next, second sub question. R2. R2 is equal to set of all ordered pairs 1 comma 3, set of all ordered pair 4 comma 2, set of all ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 1 comma 4. R2 is equal to, it contains set of all ordered pair 1 comma 3, 4 comma 2, ordered pair 2 comma 4, ordered pair 1 comma 2. Here verify. R2 is a subset of S cross S or not. 1 comma 3, 1 3 belongs to S cross S. 4 2, 4 1 4 2, 4 2 is also an element of S cross S. 2 4, 2 1 2, 2 2 3, 2 4, 2 4 is also an element of S cross S. 1 comma 4, 1 1 1 2 1 3, 1 4, 1 4 is also an element of S cross S. For R2 is a subset of S cross S. Therefore, R2 is a relation. R2 is a relation on S. R2 is a relation on S. Okay. Next sub question. Third one. R3. R3 is equal to set of all ordered pair 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, ordered pair 1 comma 3, ordered pair 1 comma 4. Verify. R3 is a subset of S cross S or not. So 1 1, 1 comma 1 belongs to S cross S. 1 2, 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4 also belongs to S cross S. Therefore, R2 is a relation on S. R2 is a relation on S. Okay. So next problem. Second one. Second question. If A is equal to set of all elements 1 2 3 4 5, find the following relations. Find the following relations on A. Find the following relations on A. On A means relations defined from A to A. Sub question. First one. R is equal to R1. R1 is equal to set of all ordered pair x comma y such that x is greater than y. Here relation is given. Here relation in set builder form. Find R means here we want to represent in the roster form. Okay. Solution. R is equal to R1 is equal to here. So relation is defined from A to A means second set is also equal to A. A contains 5 elements. So second set is also A. It also contains 5 elements. So 5 into A, 5 into 5. A cross A, it contains total 25 ordered pairs. So 25 elements. Here verify out of 25 how many ordered pairs. So which are the ordered pairs satisfies the given relation or condition x greater than y. So here first element S cross S. So second set it contains 1 2 3 4 5. So ordered pairs are 1 1 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5. Next 2 1 2 2 2 3 2 4 2 4 2 5. Next 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4 3 5. 4 1 4 2 4 3 4 4 4 5. 5 1 5 2 5 3 5 4 5 5. Okay, last element is 5 comma 5. So first 1 comma 1 here verify. 1 comma 1. 1 comma 1 means here x is equal to 1, y is equal to 1. 1 is greater than 1. False. Therefore, ordered pair 1 comma 1 is not an element. Next 1 comma 2, 1 is greater than 2. False. Next 1 comma 3, 1 is greater than 3. False. Next 1 comma 4, 1 is greater than 4. False. Next 1 comma 5, 1 is greater than 5. False. Therefore, ordered pair 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 is not an element of the given relation R1. Next verify 2 1. 2 is greater than 1, true. Therefore ordered pair 2 comma 1 satisfies the given relation, therefore is an element of R1. Next 2 comma 2. 2 greater than 2, false. Next 2 comma 3. 2 greater than 3, false. 2 greater than 4, false. Next 2 comma 5. 2 greater than 5, false. Therefore ordered pair 2 comma 2, 2 comma 3, ordered pair 2 comma 4, 2 comma 5 is not an element of R1. Next 3 1, 3 2 up to 3 5. So 3 is greater than 1, 2. Therefore ordered pair 3 comma 1 satisfies the condition, therefore is an element of R1. Next 3 comma 2. 3 is greater than 2, true. Therefore is also an element. Ordered pair 3 comma 2. Next 3 comma 3. 3 is greater than 3, false, is not an element. 3 comma 4. 3 is greater than 4, false, therefore it is also not an element. 3 is greater than 5, not an element. Next consider 4 1 up to 4 5. 4 1. 4 is greater than 1, true. Therefore ordered pair 4 comma 1. Next 4 comma 2. 4 is greater than 2, true. 4 comma 2 is an element. Next 4 comma 3. 4 is greater than 3, true. Therefore 4 comma 3. 4 comma 4. 4 is greater than 4, false. Therefore ordered pair 4 comma 5 is not an 4 comma 4 is not an element. Next 4 comma 5. 4 is greater than 5, false. Therefore ordered pair 5 comma 4 comma 5 is not an element of R1. Next verify 5 1 up to 5 5. 5 is greater than 1, therefore is also true. Therefore is also an element. Ordered pair 5 comma 1. 5 is greater than 2, true. Is also an element. Ordered pair 5 comma 3, true. 5 is greater than 3, true. 5 comma 4. 5 is greater than 4, true. Therefore is also an element. Last element 5 comma 5. 5 is greater than 5, false. Therefore is not an element. So these are the elements of the given relation R1 satisfying the condition x is greater than y, means first element is greater than the second element. Okay. Next second sub question R2. Ordered pair, set of all ordered pair x comma y such that x divides y. Condition is here x divides y. Therefore R2 is equal to x divides y, means first element divides second element. So here also, so elements are 1 comma 1 to last element is 5 comma 5. Verify here 1 comma 1. First consider 1 comma 1. 1 divides 1, true. Therefore 1 comma 1 is an element. Next element 1 comma 2. 1 divides 2. 1 divides 2, true. Therefore 1 comma 2 is an element. Next 1 comma 3. 1 divides 3, true. Therefore is an element. 1 comma 4. 1 divides 4. 1 comma 5. 1 divides 5. Therefore 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2, 1 comma 3, 1 comma 4, 1 comma 5 is an element of R2. Next 2 comma 1. 2 divides 1, false. Next therefore ordered pair 2 comma 1 is not an element. 2 comma 2. 2 divides 2, true. Therefore 2 comma 2 is also an element. 2 comma 3. 2 divides 3, false. Therefore 2 comma 3 is not an element. Next 2 comma 4. 2 divides 4. Therefore ordered pair 2 comma 4 is an element. Next 2 comma 5. 2 divides 5, false. Therefore ordered pair 2 comma 5 is not an element. Next 3 comma 1. 3 divides 1, false. 3 comma 2. 3 divides 2, false. 3 comma 3. 3 divides 3, true. Therefore 3 comma 3 is an element. Next 3 comma 4. 3 divides 4, false. Next 3 comma 5. 3 divides 5, false. Next 4 comma 1. 4 divides 1, false. Next 4 comma 2. 4 divides 2, false. Next 4 comma 3. 4 divides 3, false. Next 4 comma 4. 4 divides 4, true. Therefore ordered pair 4 comma 4 is an element. Next 4 comma 5. 4 divides 5, false. Therefore it is not an element. Next 5 comma 1 up to 5 comma 5. 5 comma 1 means 5 divides 1, false. 5 comma 2. 5 divides 2, false. Next 5 comma 3. 5 divides 3, false. 5 comma 4. 5 divides 4, false. Last element is 5 comma 5. 5 divides 5. Therefore ordered pair 5 comma 5 is an element. Okay. So next problem. Next question, third one. Find the domain and range. Find the domain and range of the following relations. Find the domain and range of the following relations. Yes, sub question, first one, R is equal to set of all ordered pair 1, 2, ordered pair 1, 3, ordered pair 1, 4, ordered pair 1, 5, ordered pair 1, 6, ordered pair 1, 7. So here we want domain and range of the given relation R. So we know that domain means set of all first elements of the ordered pair. So consider the set of all first elements of the ordered pair. So here first element is 1. Here also 1 is already written. We have already written 1. So 1, 1, 1. So therefore, so domain is singleton set 1. Next, range. So range means set of all second elements of the ordered pair in a given relation R. So list out all the second elements. So second elements are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 6, 7. So this is the range of the given relation R. Okay. Next, second sub question. R is equal to set of all ordered pairs, second sub question, R is equal to set of all ordered pairs x comma y such that y is equal to x cube second sub question, R is equal to set of all ordered pairs x comma y such that y is equal to x cube. X is a prime number. X is a prime number less than 10. X is a prime number less than 10. Here we want to find out domain and range of the given relation. We know that domain means set of all first elements of the ordered pairs. Range means set of all second elements of the ordered pairs in a given relation R. Here relation is given, relation in set builder form, first represent in the roster form. Means roster form means list out all the elements, satisfies the condition y is equal to x cube. Here condition is given, x is a prime number less than 10. Okay. We know that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Here condition is given prime numbers less than 10. So therefore 2, 3, 5, 7 less than 10. We get only 4 prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, 7. Therefore x is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So here equation is given. So therefore by substituting values for x means by substituting x is equal to either 2 or 3 or 5 or 7, directly find out values for y. So first consider x is equal to 2. First consider x is equal to 2, then find out y. So substitute here. So x is equal to 2 means 2 cube means y is equal to 8. Ordered pair 2, 8. So ordered pair 2, 8 satisfies the condition. Next, consider x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, then y is equal to 3 cube. 3 cube is 3 into 3 into 3. So that is 27. Next, consider x is equal to 5. So next substitute here. 5 cube. 5 cube means 5 into 5 into 5, that is 125. Ordered pairs 5 comma 125. Next, consider x is equal to 7. Next, y means 7 cube. 7 into 7 into 7, that is 343. This is the given relation. Now find the domain and range. Now find the domain and range. So domain means set of all first elements of the ordered pairs. First element 2, 3, 5, 7. Next, range. Range means set of all second elements of the ordered pairs. Second elements are 8, 27, 125, 343. 340. This is the domain and range for the given relation R. Okay. Next problem. Next problem, fourth one. If A is equal to set of all elements 4, 5, 6, 7, R1 is equal to ordered pair 4, 4, ordered pair 5, 6, ordered pair 6, 7, ordered pair 7, 7. Represent R1. Represent R1 by diagram. So by diagram means arrow, represent in arrow diagram. Represent using arrow diagram. So here set A is given, the relation R1 is given. So relation is defined from A to A. So first consider two sets A. So write the elements of A 4, 5, 6, 7. 4, 5, 6, 7. Next, represents the relation using arrow. Here 4, 4 means 4 is related to 4. 4 is related to 4. Next, 5, 6 means 5 is related to 6. 5 is related to 6. Next, 6, 7 means 6 is related to 7. 6 is related to 7. Represent relation using arrow. Next, 7, 7 means 7 is related to 7. 7 is related to 7. This is the arrow diagram for relation R1. Okay. So next problem. Next problem, fifth one. If A is equal to set of all elements 2, 3, B is equal to set of all elements 3, 4, find the number of relations. Find the number of relations from A to B. Find the number of relations from A to B. So here we want number of relations from A to B. We know that relation means, suppose if we define a relation from A to B means it must be a subset of A cross B. So number of relations from A to B is same as number of subsets in A cross B. Number of relations from A to B same as number of subsets number of subsets in A cross B. Number of subsets in A cross B. We know the formula to find out number of subsets, that is 2 to the power of n. So n means number of elements in the set A cross B. How many elements are there in set A cross B? A means Cartesian product of A and B. Here observe, A contains 2 elements, B contains 2 elements, therefore A cross B contains 2 into 2 means 4 elements. So therefore A cross B contains 4 elements. 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. Therefore number of relations from A to B is equal to 16. Okay. Next problem, one more problem. Next question, sixth one. If R is a relation, on n, if R is a relation on n means natural set of all natural numbers defined by y is equal to 3x. Here relation is given, condition or relation is y is equal to 3x. Find R domain and range. Domain, range and codomain. Domain, range and codomain. First find R means represent relation in set roster form. Okay. Here using the given condition y is equal to 3x. Here given R is a relation on n means relation is defined from n to n. So n means set of all natural numbers. So therefore x belongs to n, y is also belongs to n. So therefore x is equal to either natural numbers means either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, etc. Okay. So substitute first x is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, then find y. Y means 3 into 1. So if x is equal to 1, then y is 3. Ordered pair 1, 3 satisfies the condition y is equal to 3 into x. Next, consider x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2, 2 into 3, 6. Y is equal to 6. Next, consider x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, 3 into 3, y is equal to 9. So the set n contains infinite numbers. Therefore, so relation is also contains infinite. Okay, infinite numbers. Now find the domain, range and codomain. Domain means set of all first elements of the ordered pairs. First element means 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. So next, range means set of all second elements. So 3, 6, 9, multiples of 3, etc. Infinite numbers. Next, codomain means the second set. Here the relation is defined from n to n. The second set is equal to n. Is the codomain. Okay. We will continue next class. Thank you.